Hi, my name's Doug and welcome to Emerald Hill Skies. In this latest sky portrait, we're featuring a unique object that is very well known, the Hercules Cluster. Now you'll notice here in our planetarium software, Starry Night Pro, you can already make out the Hercules Cluster because you can see this unique keystone trapezoid of the Hercules constellation. You can find this by going away from the open cup of the Little Dipper. Here's the North Star Polaris. And following the pointer stars of the Little Dipper away from the open cup, past Draco, and coming right here to Hercules. Now, I love this cluster because it is so packed with stars, about 100 stars in the middle of this. Now, right here, you're seeing this as a part of our planetarium software. So this is a piece of software to help you see the night sky. We've got this telescope, and that's a live view of the telescope out in the observatory. This is a RASA 11-inch, and it's aimed right now up at this part of the night sky. And you might recognize up in the upper left there, there's the Big Dipper. And you'll recognize these pointer stars, the way you can arc to Arcturus. Maybe you'll realize that the Little Dipper's here. Again, we're looking away from the open Dipper, and we're going to look right now and go to our live view through our telescope here at Hercules 13. It's NGC6205. It's a globular cluster, and it has like 100,000 stars in it. And these stars are so tightly packed that it's like 100 times more dense than the distance between our sun, the star of the sun, and the closest star that might be to us. This is one of the largest globular clusters. Now, there are only about 150 globular clusters known to astronomers today that are circling the Milky Way. What's unique about these globulars is that they don't circle or orbit the core of the Milky Way in the disk, the accretion disk of the Milky Way, the spiral arms. They're like a swarm of bees, just orbiting whichever way you can imagine. And I went to the Hubble site and found this page about M13. They talked about the fact that these stars are so tightly packed together in a ball that's just about 150 light years across that sometimes they'll even maybe bump into each other. When they do, they sometimes form a new star, and those new stars are called blue stragglers. This entire glob is about 150 light years across, but it's 25,000 light years away. Here's an image that the Hubble captured. In fact, this is like several images stitched together. And when you stop and think about this ball of stars, it looks almost like a snow globe, doesn't it? With a lot of flakes of stars traveling together. They'll spend their entire lives rotating around each other in this swarm. For us, in the northern hemisphere, M13 is the largest cluster, the largest globular cluster that we have. And in this picture, which is a live picture right now, we've captured 48 subframes over the last 16 minutes and stacked them together so we can see all these tiny little blue stars out here at the edge. If you like content like this, I hope you'll subscribe to Emerald Hill Skies. It's up to you, but if you'd like to click that thumbs up, you could do that. That'll raise the channel and other people's searches. And of course, hit the bell if you want to be notified whenever we're doing new content like this. We really want to thank God for making all these amazing objects. Like I say, this is a live view from our RASA 11-inch. We hope you'll stop back by and see us again whenever we're producing new content here at Emerald Hill Skies. This has been a sky portrait. Thanks for taking part.